Namaste student. See, we learned in last period how to be safe on swing and jungle gym on playground or in the garden. So today we are going to see how to be safe on seesaw and slide. As we know, there are other things also in the garden to play. So out of them, I will teach you how to be safe on seesaw and slide. So students, I am going to show you some pictures. See, here the students, the children are playing on the seesaw. But some activities are given there that we do not perform while playing on the seesaw. Okay, see here that boy is looking behind and that boy is trying to sit on the seesaw. But be careful, you should not do these things. You should both, your friend or your brother and sister, both you have to sit together on that seesaw and start playing. Okay, see here these brother and sisters are facing opposite and trying to play, but should not do this. Okay, but if you will do this and if your balance gone, then you may fall down, you may injure. So you should not sit like this on the seesaw. Here these both brother and sister are playing very fast. Okay, see, he just at the upside of the seesaw and she is just sitting there. Okay, so you should not do this. You should play seesaw very carefully and slowly. Here the boy is sitting, the brother is sitting on the seesaw, but she didn't sit. She just hold the handle and trying to sit. But before that, he lift the seesaw. So should not do this because you may injure, your brother or sister may injure because of this. Okay. And the last one, while playing, should not jump from the upside of the seesaw. See, he is trying to jump, but should not jump. If there is a stone on the ground, then you may injure. Okay, so remember these things. You should not perform this type of wrong activities while playing on the seesaw. Okay, now next I will show how to be careful while playing on the slide. See, here both brother or sister playing on the slide. Okay, the sister is coming down from the slide, but brother standing in front of the slide. But you should not do this. If sister is coming by force, coming by speed, then brother will be injured. Okay, while going on the slide, then you should go step by step. Don't run on that slide. Okay, don't try to play both brother and sister together. You have to play one by one, because if the speed of the brother will be faster than the sister, then sister get injured. Okay, don't try to climb up on the slide by opposite side. You should always climb from the steps only. Okay, by the ladder of this slide. Don't try to swing on that slide. Okay, you have to sit and then only come down on the slide, from the slide. And see, this girl is climbing the slide, climbing that ladder by opposite side. But you should not do this. If you will do this, these rods may injure you. Okay, so these are some instructions. These are some things that you have to care of that. Okay, these are some activities that you have to take care of that and should not perform these activities. So while going on the ground or in the garden, be careful while playing on swing, jungle gym, slide and seesaw. Okay, bye bye.